morning. It's Hiker Dude Dad.
Hi.
And the kiddos. We are at a familiar place here. We're at Landis Woods. It's near our home. And we're on our second of several Utah training hikes. We got to get back into hiking shape. It's been a challenge getting these guys moving in the mornings. It is hot. Yesterday and today, it is hot, it is humid, it is just step outside and sweat. Humid. Well, look, education.
Tree snags and rotting logs.
Yep. Got these education, so I'll let them read that while I talk here. But we went to Grub Lake yesterday. I didn't film that one because I just did a Grub Lake video recently. I'll link that up here. But that was about 1.5 miles. We're gonna look for like 2 miles today here, just get the legs moving again and get these guys training in heat for basically the desert coming up. So if they can do it in this insufferable humidity, then I think they can do it in the dry desert. So here we go then. We're getting a little later start today than I wanted to. The kids both slept in way past 9, finally taking advantage of being out of school. But this girl was tired because she had a big softball game last night, had to win to get into the playoffs. She was on the mound, pitching well, helping herself out by catching 3 pop-ups.
I think it was 2.
I think 3, because that third one you turned into the double play to end the game. She picked off a girl at third. And man, at the plate, a couple bombs. 2-run homer and a 2-run double and almost another one, but the outfielder actually got over there and made the catch. So she went big 3 times at bat, so she deserved to sleep in. This guy hiked yesterday, played hard in the afternoon out in the heat, and cheered for his sister at the softball game. So yeah. Everybody slept in today except me. I'm old. I don't know what sleeping in is anymore. These trails here are very well maintained, but it is again humid, it's buggy and spider webs. A lot of old oak and hemlock here. Little sassafras allegedly, but I haven't seen or at least identified any. There's about 11 or 13 of these info signs here at Landis Woods, so that kind of keeps the kids interested, learning about birds and everything. Showing the kids here, found some May apples here, these umbrella shaped leaves, which are now kind of turning color. A few weeks ago I saw them, the double ones have a flower that turns into a May apple. So this is the first actual apple-like fruit that I've seen on a May apple. So I've seen all the different stages of it this year. So just regular growing, like these umbrella shaped things. But then there's single ones and there's double ones. So when you see a double one, you look under and it has a white and yellow
pretty
flower. Yep. And then it turns into that thing, and that's why it's called a May apple, because you know, we're June now, but usually late May.
I was gonna say, it's kind of funny how it's June, but it's called a May apple.
Hey, it's a little late, I guess. I don't know. But yeah, has that fruit that resembles an apple. I don't know if it's edible or anything like that, so Google it. So at the eastern side, I guess, you kind of come into this clearing and eventually get to a creek here. Compared to some of my videos from here, man, I forgot how green and full everything gets here. I've been here many times when there's nothing, but there's a stream. I was gonna say, I've definitely seen fish from here before.
There's a water bug.
Yeah, water bug straight down.
There's 2 that I see.
It's so clear here that you can definitely see if there are fish.
Oh, there's huge.
Yeah, just think a lot of water bugs here, I guess. See the water rippling a bit, but I think it's just water bugs. It's the other part of the stream here that we crossed to go back up. Oh. There's a lot more back here that I never saw before. Oh man, robin egg down.
Aww.
Yeah.
That looks cool.
Yeah, blue eggs, man. You ever see such a thing?
Daddy, maybe?
So I guess some kind of red thing crawling here the bee dog saw. And he saw some kind of squished animal. I think it's bird poop though.
It has orange.
It looks berry purple with orange seeds. Yeah. So, and then we definitely, I really think I saw something slither through here. Very quick, probably a garter snake or something, judging by the speed and how it got away from us though. It's plenty hot out here. I would love to see some snakes.
I heard leaves rustling. Yeah, me too.
Yeah, right?
I think it went far.
Yeah, the park is definitely alive today here. We've seen squirrels, all kinds of birds. The bugs are alive, that's for sure. But man, I'd really love to see a snake with these guys. We saw deer tracks. I've definitely seen deer here before. So yeah, we're kind of taking our time, hoping we don't startle things. Oh, came upon a fort something. They do run a nature preschool here, so maybe maybe the kids designed this little teepee fort kind of thing. Finally, like the poster back there said, some sassafras.
San Francisco?
No, not San Francisco, sassafras.
Sassafras?
Bee dog just spotted these weird branches, almost have like fins or something. They're like dotted lines.
Yeah, it's like you're gonna draw over dotted lines.
Yeah. Huh. All right.
So
As always, if you can ID, please do so in the comments. We'd love to know. There's so much stuff out here, and botany is not my forte. At least for now. I think I'm going to study up over the winter. Come back strong next spring. Be like, that's a something cool or whatever. I don't know. That's something that's going to make you itchy, and that, and that make me sneeze.
Everything here.
Yeah, I could tell you that right now. Everything here makes me sneeze. That, I don't want to touch it. It actually almost looks like somebody spit on it. Like it's like bubbles, but
But I saw one
maybe
back
it's like
there.
a sap that's coming out of this.
I think that's a spider nest. I saw something. that looked
I think either it's like sap leaking out or a spider nest. Either way, I don't really want to touch it. Good job, guys, man. You're being very curious, very awesome.
Is it like a spotted lanternfly nest? Because if it isn't, we'll smash that thing to pieces.
Sure. No, I would say definitely not spotted lanternfly nests.
Spotted lanternflies are basically killing us.
Trees. They kill trees.
Yeah.
That's why we don't like them.
Oxygen.
They're an invasive species. We saw our first nymphs yesterday at Grub Lake.
Yeah, Brayden saw one at the pool.
Regardless, we destroyed them. These kids are lanternfly assassins, and it's highly encouraged. They're an invasive species.
Where's the assault gun?
Or we kill the better. Same place it always is. Pumbaa, Timon, Simba, they would be all over this.
Yeah.
Why don't you find some grubs and eat them? You hungry? Need a snack? No?
You probably ate all yours off.
Tuna matata, bro. Eat some bugs. Some crunchy cicadas. I don't hear those yet.
I heard a bunch at Maddie's farm.
You just tried to fool me by asking me like a math question. You just tried to fool me. Don't you know how good I am in math?
Oh, really? Yeah, you're good at math. But you know.
Hey guys, this park is usually packed all the time, but it's so darn hot and humid today that we haven't seen many people out here. So good job. This is making you stronger, so you will enjoy our vacation. Yeah, I think they've had enough of me for today, so we are going to wrap this up here at a little over 2 miles here. Get back to the air-conditioned car.
And get ordinary.
Go pick up our, they're trying to talk me into slushies or ice cream or something. And we do have to go pick up our CSA shares. But hey, thanks for watching. We're gonna do a couple of these kid-friendly training hikes here, I think, and then we take off on our trip. We're gonna do the Mighty 5 in Utah, Vegas, Salt Lake City, Dinosaur National Monument, all that. Videos are gonna be coming like crazy in July and August after that trip. So thank you so much for watching. Please think about subscribing. Been on a subscription tear lately. Thank you everybody who has subscribed and signed up. Got a lot of good commenters lately, so leave a comment below. Let me know what you think, and thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.